As you might or might not know from our previous videos, we have been vegan for the past 7.5 years. And today we are gonna try meat, or more specifically beef, for the very first time ever since we went vegan 7.5 years ago, and I'm super nervous. First we ordered some caipirinhas. First we ordered some caipirinhas to calm our nerves, because actually I'm quite nervous. I don't know why, because I've eaten meat for 22 years and then I haven't eaten it for 7.5, but yeah, first I gotta get a bit tipsy. It is strong, dude.
And we ordered 4 of them.
Oh my god, yeah, because it's happy hour.
So we ordered a vegetarian burger and then a normal burger. So just in case, if we don't like it at all, the meat, then we don't throw away 2 burgers.
So you go first.
With the vegetarian one?
No, with the...
No. That was not the deal.
They look super delicious.
Yes, and it smells really good.
Okay, you give the vegetarian one a try first.
Yes.
No, not with knife.
Look at my small mouth. How should I do it? It's gonna look disgusting if I eat it like this.
I'm gonna try a fry.
Oh, it's super loud here. Delicious.
Is it?
It might be one of the best veggie burgers I've ever eaten.
Maybe she's mistaken and that's actually the meat one.
No. You can taste the veggie patty. It's definitely lentils and quinoa.
Okay.
It doesn't taste like meat.
I'm gonna start with the meat one. Let's go all in. I'm super nervous.
Me too.
Okay, I gotta take another sip first. It smells really meaty. It's dripping.
Good luck.
Also, there's cheese on there. I'm not the biggest cheese fan. But you know what? Screw it.
Say something.
You honestly can't taste too much of the meat because there's so much other stuff going on. That's why this was the first thing I wanted to try, because it's not pure meat like a steak or something. But I'm gonna give it a try without anything else.
You don't look too happy.
To be honest, I think what's throwing me off is the cheese, because I'm not a big cheese fan. But the meat is honestly pretty good.
It's good?
I think so, yeah.
Don't lie, just for the video. Do you like it? Or do you already regret it?
I like it. It's good.
Damn.
I'm gonna try the veggie one.
It tastes just like meat.
That's huge.
It tastes just like meat.
If you've never eaten meat before.
It's good.
That's delicious too. So in that case, I would probably go for the vegetarian one, because there's other stuff on there that I like more. But
so there's different stuff on
yeah,
it. Oh.
but the meat is... It's good. You want to give it a try?
I'm scared, but okay, let's go.
Are you gonna do it?
I first have to smell it. It's dripping on my fries.
she's doing it.
What's that look? You like it or not?
No swearing on YouTube. It tastes pretty good.
Do you like it?
Yes. I was hoping that I don't like it, so I'm gonna stay a vegetarian or pescatarian. But I like it. Screw it.
You want to go 50-50 on the burgers?
I'm not sure.
I want to go 50-50 because I want some of the vegetarian ones
Actually,
as well.
I'm a bit scared that my stomach and my body will not digest it really well because it's been so long. So I'm not sure how it will impact my body. So I don't want to feel sick, especially with the alcohol.
I think we're gonna be fine.
Okay, then let's share it.
So we're paying a total of $19 for 2 burgers with fries and 4 caipirinhas, which is really cheap. The burgers were delicious. The fries were super good, and the cocktail is good as well and full of alcohol. So I highly recommend this place, Fricadel Burger in Baños in Ecuador. In case you're ever here, definitely check out this place. And I think we are gonna end this video right here. What a crazy day. You want to say something to end the video?
Yes, next time I might order the vegetarian burger again. I definitely like it. I don't think I will eat meat again a lot, but maybe for special occasions.
Alright. See you guys in the next one. Bye.